Yarn to woven fabric manufacturing process flow chart. Winding is the first process of woven fabric manufacturing. The process of transferring yarns from ring, bobbin, hank into a suitable package is called winding. Warping is the second process of woven fabric manufacturing. Warping refers to the process of arranging yarns or threads lengthwise on a loom. During warping, parallel threads are wound onto a beam in preparation for the weaving process. This step ensures that the threads are properly aligned and tensioned before weaving. Sizing is the third process of woven fabric manufacturing. Sizing is a process of applying a sizing agent to the warp yarn so as to improve the strength of the warp yarn in order to resist the mechanical stress applied to the yarn during weaving. There are different kinds of sizing agents such as polyvinyl alcohol, starch, and acrylic-based sizing agents. Drawing-in is the third process of woven fabric manufacturing. The drawing-in process comes just after the preparation of the weaver's beam. The weaver's beam is obtained from sectional warping or sizing. The drawing-in process mainly consists of two processes. The first process is called drafting and the second process is called denting. Knotting or tying-in is the fourth process of woven fabric manufacturing. Tying-in is the process of tying the ends of a new warp beam to the corresponding ends of the old warp beam after the depletion of a warp beam on the weaving machine. If there is no change in design during the tying-in process, the weaving machine needs to be stopped, which discontinues the weaving process. Weaving is the last process of woven fabric manufacturing. There are three main steps to weaving: shedding, picking, and beating up, battening. Shedding is the process of separating warp yarns in preparation for weaving. Picking is the process of the weft yarn being interlaced among the warp yarns. Beating and battening is when the newly woven row is pushed up against the fabric.